guys, in today's video, we are going to show you how to do the face framing highlights. It's highlights, guys. So we call it face framing because we will only do on the top, so like a crown only. So face framing because the highlight should be showed only here, especially at the side, and then here. So once again, we are going to show you face framing highlights.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. Swear that I'm fainting, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter, I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. Swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
So guys, as you can see, I just finished doing this highlights. So later on, you will see what's the result of this. Processing time, so we just wait for that. So guys, I will just check if it's already.
A few inches later.
So guys, this hair is only 70% natural. This is not 100% natural. So we are just trying to do this to see if we can lift the hair. So I am using 90 volume of the peroxide and with the bleach. So we will see guys if we can really lift and how much we can lift of this kind of hair. So we'll see. So guys, we already finished our processing time. So all in all, we had 25 minutes. So now we will really open this one and wash. So ayan, here we go.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
Yeah, how lovely. Yeah, so yeah, it's okay now. So guys, as you can see, this is the result of our highlights for today. So nakuha po natin yung desired color natin. Na-lift po natin siya ng mataas. Yeah, what I'm trying to say is na-lift ko po yung buhok ni Mannequin, even though it's not really 100%. Gamit po ng blow dry, dahil yung blow dry po guys ay nakakatulong po siya. Yung init ng blow dry, ng blower, is nakakatulong po siya para mag-lift po kaagad ang ating hair. So, ayan. So, may highlights na po si Monique namin guys. So, she's very beautiful today. So yes guys, thank you so much for being with me today. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. And I always love to see you in my next vlog. So thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.